is good, loves? Welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another wig review for you, so let's get into the details. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in videos such as this. So I received UNICE Pre-Everything Bye Bye Knots 13x4 Jerry Curl Reddish Brown Put On and Go Glueless Frontal Wig, and the wig comes pre-plucked, pre-cut, and it comes with pre-bleached knots, and I got her in 20 inches. And inside the cap construction, you get one comb and 2 tabs of lace tape, so glue would not be needed for the process of this video. And this seems like this is going to be an easy install, so I'm going to be taking a little bit of my lace tinting mousse, let that marinate into the lace real quick, that where the lace can blend into my skin a little bit more. So now that I have the adjustable band hooked on, I am going to try her on to see how she feels. As I was putting on the wig, she felt very snug. I would say that she is big head friendly. You just have to adjust the band to your liking. So in this video, I will be showing you how to install a wig at home with no glue, no adhesives. Be using the 2 tabs of lace tape to stick down the wig on the sides. The tape felt very secured, so I was able to move forward with the install. And before I start styling the wig, this is the hair in its natural state. Straight out the package, I have not done anything to her yet, and I am thinking about styling this wig into like a half up, half down type of style. But you can style this wig however you would like. You can part the wig on the left, middle, or right side. So once I am done styling the wig, I will be back with my final thoughts and commentary on this segment, so be sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you are interested in the wig that I'm wearing in this video, I will be sure to have the link down in the description below.
So I bought you another pair.
So here's the finished look. I decided to style the hair into a half up, half down, and she is cute, honey. Starting with shipping and handling, she came pretty fast. I received the wig within like 3 days after putting in the order, since she did come from Amazon. The hair is gorgeous, the hair is full, and I am so in love with this copper color. The half up, half down look is everything. I think this is super gorgeous, and I'm really shocked that I was able to achieve this style glueless. This is definitely a true put on and go wig. Definitely recommend 10 out of 10. No, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Till next time. Bye.
But I really wanna play, what's a girl to do?